Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular family travel trailers on the market, now redesigned and better than ever. This is the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2810BH, and if you're looking for a bunkhouse trailer that's premium, practical, durable, and perfect for families or full-time travelers, this might be the one. In this full tour, we'll explore the exterior, interior, bunkhouse, kitchen, master bedroom, construction quality, utilities, and why this trailer stands out from all the competition. Let's begin. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Imagine 2810BH introduces updated graphics, a more modern front cap design, and improved LED lighting across the body. The aerodynamic fiberglass front cap now integrates stronger rock guard protection and enhanced insulation for better temperature control. You get a massive pass-through storage bay, wide enough for camping chairs, tools, outdoor cooking gear, and more. Grand design includes motion sensor lighting, aluminum-framed compartments, and slam latch baggage doors, features usually found in higher-end units. The trailer rides on upgraded nitrogen-filled tires, heavy-duty axles, and a strengthened suspension system, giving you a smoother tow. Power stabilizers now come standard along with a fully enclosed and heated underbelly. This makes the 2810BH a fantastic option for extended season camping. Up top, there's a one-piece TPO roof prepped for solar, Wi-Fi, and backup systems. And yes, the 2026 model includes optional dual solar panels that help power your off-grid adventures. Stepping inside, you're immediately welcomed by Grand Design's signature, bright, modern interior. The 2026 refresh brings in new cabinetry colors, matte black hardware, upgraded flooring, and softer LED lighting. The living room features a theater seating setup, wall-hugging recliners with cup holders, storage, and full views of the TV area. Across from it is a roomy super slide, creating an open feeling that families really appreciate. The entertainment center now includes a larger LED TV and an updated multimedia system with Bluetooth, HDMI, and smart streaming compatibility. Below it, an optional 5,000 BTU electric fireplace adds warmth and ambiance on chilly nights. The climate control system is fully ducted with quieter air vents and better heat distribution, ensuring the entire trailer stays comfortable. The kitchen in the 2810BH is one of the reasons this model sells so well. Grand Design doesn't cut corners here. You get a large stainless steel sink, pull-down sprayer faucet, high-output 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, tons of overhead and below-counter storage, deep drawers for pots and pans, and the solid surface countertops are durable, heat-resistant, and designed for families who really cook on the road. One of the biggest highlights is the full pantry, tall enough to fit cereal boxes, snacks, and cookware. This is rare in trailers this size and incredibly convenient for long trips. Across from the kitchen, the booth-style dinette doubles as extra sleeping space and offers large storage drawers underneath, perfect for storing games, bedding, or kitchen supplies. Now let's look at the star of the 2810BH, the double-over-double bunkhouse. These bunks are huge, big enough for adults, and come with privacy curtains, reading lights, USB charging ports, and upgraded plush mattresses for 2026. There's also storage under the lower bunk for bags or outdoor gear. Families love that this bunkhouse isn't cramped. It's one of the most comfortable bunk setups in the lightweight trailer market. The bathroom features a spacious shower with a skylight, a modern vanity, upgraded faucet fixtures, and plenty of shelving for toiletries. The 2026 model includes improved water pressure and a more efficient exhaust fan, making the bathroom feel more functional and private. The porcelain toilet is residential grade, another premium touch. Moving to the front of the trailer, the master bedroom offers a true residential 60 by 80 queen bed, not the shorter RV version. This is great news for taller campers. The mattress was upgraded in 2026 with thicker foam support. You get overhead cabinets, wardrobe closets on both sides, and USB and 120-volt outlets, perfect for phones, laptops, or CPAP machines. A sliding solid door provides real privacy, and the ducted AC ensures the bedroom cools evenly, no more hot sleeping areas like in older models. Under the bed, a massive reinforced storage compartment gives you a ton of extra space for bulkier items or seasonal gear. Grand Design is known for superior construction, and the Imagine 2810BH is a perfect example. The trailer uses aluminum-framed laminated walls, high-density block foam insulation, a fully walkable roof, moisture-resistant flooring, quad-seal exterior protection, an enclosed heated underbelly, and one-piece TPO roofing membrane. This is built for longevity. The wiring, plumbing, and structural components are organized and reinforced better than industry average. Grand Design's strict multi-stage inspection process checks for leaks, temperature control, frame alignment, safety systems, and appliance functionality before the unit even leaves the factory. All of this results in fewer issues and better long-term reliability, one of the reasons Grand Design has such a loyal customer base. So, why does the 2026 Imagine 2810BH stand out? Because it's a family-oriented trailer that mixes premium comfort, smart design, and quality construction at a competitive price. You get a spacious living area, a giant bunk setup, a real queen bed, a large kitchen, tons of storage, and a trailer built to last. Whether you're weekend camping, road tripping across the country, or planning months of family travel, the 2810BH delivers everything a modern camper needs. If you enjoyed this tour of the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2810BH, hit the like button, subscribe for more RV reviews, and let me know in the comments which model you want next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.